Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set auto lock function on the DrawNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. Go to the lower bar, click to the fourth option, the My. This page. Go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen. There you can find the four options, the auto lock and privacy lock, and you can enable the auto lock function, and you can set how to lock the screen every time, 1 minute, 3 minutes, or every 15 minutes, and you can set that and you can use. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.